Eating a healthy breakfast on a daily basis can have several positive effects on your body, including 1. Improved metabolism. A healthy breakfast can help kickstart your metabolism for the day, which can help you burn calories more efficiently. 2. Better digestion. Eating a breakfast that is high in fiber can improve your digestion and regularity, helping to reduce bloating and discomfort. 3. Reduced inflammation. A healthy breakfast that includes anti-inflammatory foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can help reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Improved nutrient intake. Eating a balanced breakfast that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods can help ensure that you are getting all of the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. 5. Reduced cravings. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast can help reduce cravings for unhealthy foods later in the day, which can help you make healthier food choices overall. Overall, eating a healthy breakfast on a daily basis can have numerous positive effects on your body and help you maintain good health in the long term. Subscribe for more videos.